Have you ever wondered why the flu seems to come back every year, sometimes feeling different than before? It is not just one simple bug, but a family of clever viruses. When we talk about influenza, we are primarily referring to three main types that affect people: Influenza A, B, and C. A fourth type, Influenza D, is known to primarily affect cattle and is not currently considered a human pathogen. The reason we focus on types A and B is their significant impact on human health. Influenza viruses are known for causing widespread epidemics and even pandemics because they can undergo substantial genetic changes, allowing them to jump between species and create new strains. These changes involve both major shifts, called antigenic shift, and smaller, more frequent mutations, known as antigenic drift. Influenza B viruses typically cause regional epidemics and tend to evolve more slowly, primarily through antigenic drift, and are found almost exclusively in humans. Influenza C viruses usually cause mild respiratory illness and are not linked to epidemics, while Influenza D viruses have a very low risk of crossing into humans. This understanding helps public health officials and medical professionals in several ways. For example, knowing the circulating types allows doctors to better diagnose symptoms, as different flu types can present with slightly varied severity. It also guides vaccine development, ensuring the annual flu shot targets the most prevalent and concerning Influenza A and B strains predicted for the upcoming season, offering the best possible protection. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, or CDC, continuously monitors global flu activity to track these changes. Influenza viruses are further classified into subtypes based on surface proteins: hemagglutinin, or HA, and neuraminidase, or NA. You might hear common subtypes like H1N1 or H3N2 mentioned in the news, indicating specific strains. The ability of Influenza A to mix and match these proteins from different animal reservoirs, like birds or pigs, explains its greater pandemic potential compared to Influenza B. While Influenza B does not have subtypes in the same way, it has two distinct lineages called B. victoria and B. yamagata, which are both routinely included in seasonal flu vaccines. Understanding these different influenza types and their behaviors empowers you to make informed decisions about protecting your health and the health of your loved ones. By recognizing the main types that cause human illness and the reasons for their varying impacts, you can better appreciate the importance of annual vaccination and proactive health measures, helping to minimize the flu's spread and its effects on your community.